Hi guys, since nowadays all of us have a little bit of extra time, let's discuss how to prepare for Ielts at home. Surprisingly, you will need only 2 apps and 2 books to do that, so let's dive in. First thing that you will need is the complete guide to Ielts by National Geographic. The guide works systematically through each paper, covering all tasks, test types, and skills. Let's open, for instance, a lesson on line graphs. Firstly, you study the task analysis, task requirements, and what you have to do to fulfill those requirements. Then, go through the exercises to test if you have understood all the criteria. Next, you will see sample questions, and you will have to study all the tips and tactics. Now, let's move to the skills building exercises, where you will be introduced to vocabulary filled with common, in our case, line graphs, lexical resources, and examples, plus grammar on how to describe trends and future predictions. Frankly speaking, just memorize them and proceed with exercises. The only thing is that you will have to use the complete guide to Ielts together with the teacher's book, since all the answers and model samples are there. Therefore, to make maximum, you need to buy both students' and teachers' copies. Below there will be a link to download sample unit, so check it out. Next, apps. So, to start with, get Ielts Essay app, which will help you with words and collocations. It has literally the best lexical unit. And what's so great about these words is the fact that they are so native and they will make you sound extremely fluent and eloquent. That's a lot of extra points. Look through all the collocations and memorize them, since you will use them in speaking and writing section. Then move to Ielts Practice app and again, look through the 5,000 Ielts words to brush them up. Work at Ielts test to review all the lexical structures. And afterwards, get to tips and tricks to hone your skills and exercise all the question types. Having a solid vocabulary background, open Ielts Ideas tab. Your ideas and the way you present them make up to 25% of your mark in writing task 2. So you must prepare ideas for the most common topics. By the time the exam rolls around, you have memorized so many words and topic ideas that a lot of them will just come up in the exam anyway, because you've predicted the topic. But even if the stuff come up that you haven't memorized, you will know so much about the subject, and you will have so many content blocks in your head that you will be able to generate first-class essay from scratch. If you want to know more about various Ielts self-study apps, check out one of my latest videos. The last step in our preparation guide is Cambridge Ielts. This book will provide you with the most accurate and authentic tests, so you can get a hands-on experience and a hint of how the real exam goes. But use only Cambridge Ielts 15 for your preparation, since the listening section has undergone some changes, which were introduced only in the last book of this series. To sum up, in order to have a thorough Ielts preparation at home, firstly, study all the units from the complete guide to Ielts to pick up few tips and tricks, and learn the ways to approach and answer the questions. Then, make yourself a native speaker by learning words and phrases from the Ielts Essay app. Afterwards, learn how to develop ideas and hone your answering skills. All these resources will be linked down below. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I hope this video helped you a lot. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get the latest updates. See you in the next video.